In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about a noisy washing machine. If you're washing clothes and you happen to experience some violent shaking or some banging from your washing machine, stop your washing machine. You're going to press the play pause button. It's going to stop. Wait for your lid lock to unlock. Open your lid and then look at your load. You'll notice that your load is heavy on one side, lighter on the other. You're going to take your clothes, kind of break them apart, spread the load out over the entire washer basket, close your load, push your play pause button, and continue your wash cycle. If you should have an issue with your dryer, you can open the dryer door, take the lint screen out, remove any lint or debris from the lint screen, replace it, and then restart your dryer. If the problem should persist, notify maintenance and they'll come diagnose that problem for you. And that is how hopefully I've helped you quiet a noisy washing machine.